There will be no election in 90 days. There will be no discussion on matters to do with the election. We will have dialogue with Mr. Odinga on other matters, not matters that have been settled by the people of Kenya in their supreme will in a ballot.
Gutiri kunanira njongwa iguru rigie githurano munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto kwira Raila Odinga.
We believe making voting compulsory will defeat political manipulations, violence and intimidation.
Atongoria Jubilee kuria Raila Odinga atige gucogera Kenya hari gututhura ngui.
Mimi ndatafu nikipende kustaafu.
Ndigotigaga uteti ndatira Raila Odinga kuga we ndehariirie kuritaya na nikihoto giake kunyita itemi hari kuhuranira utongoria.
We've been given a beautiful country. We can be part of the salvage process to undo whatever has been undone. We can forgive. We can move on.
Na atongoria makanitha kuria Kenya guthingata thayo na urumwe wa bururi.